In this video, I want to show you two popular choices for dates. We eat these in our family. I want to just show you what the bag looks like and show you what the dates look like inside. These are both 5-pound bags, so we go through these pretty quickly, so I wanted to order a larger quantity. This is Sunbest Natural here, 5-pound bag. And Flavor to Savor 5-pound bags. Now when you look on the inside, and I have tested both of these, you can see we've already eaten about maybe close to half the bag of these, but here are the one that is from Sunbest. Of course, these are natural sweeteners. We use them in a lot of kind of, I guess you'd say, natural desserts and baking and things, or sometimes even like things you don't bake, like you take dates and look up recipes and do peanut butter and nuts and raw chocolate and things like that and make dessert. So the other one, then we go nuts. I mean, they're very similar, seem to be a little bit more moist. I'm not sure if that's good or bad, but it's just a reality. You can almost see it in my hand here. Tastes great. My family loves them, adults and kids alike, and I can recommend both of these if you're looking for a larger bag. These are